Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change app opening speed on Samsung Galaxy smartphones. To do that, first we're gonna need to install an application called GoodLock, which is both available on Google Play Store and Galaxy Store. So just open one of them, go to the search tab and search for GoodLock app and find it and download and install it. Then open it once you're ready, and then we're gonna have to find and download the home app extension in this app. So download and install it too, then open it, then enable gesture settings. Of course, before everything else, enable the home app extension by switching the toggle to the right next to on. Then go to gesture settings, enable them, and then go to app open animation tuning, switch this toggle to the right, and now to adjust the app opening speed, you have to either move these speedometer to the right to make the apps open faster, or to the left to make them open slower. And now let's see what happens when we set it to very fast, for example. As you can see, the animation is pretty much absent right now. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.